If you're like most people, you probably don't eat a lot of sesame seeds. But if you're trying to eat healthier, adding a few tablespoons of sesame seeds to your diet each day can be a great way to boost your intake of healthy fats and nutrients. In this video, we will show you how to make sesame seeds drink for weight loss, but first here's a bit more on sesame seeds benefits. Sesame seeds are a great weight loss food because they are high in protein and fiber. They are also low in calories and have no fat. 1 cup of sesame seeds has only 25 calories, which is fewer than a quarter of the number of calories in a cup of oatmeal. A half cup of sesame seeds has 7 grams of fiber, which is more than a fifth of the recommended daily amount for women, and almost a third of the recommended amount for men. One study found that people who added sesame seeds to their diets lost more weight and body fat than those who didn't. The study participants, who added sesame seeds to their diets, ate an average of 342 fewer calories per day than those who didn't. In addition, sesame seeds are a good source of antioxidants, which can help to protect the body from damage. They also contain magnesium, which can help to ease stress and tension in the muscles. As mentioned, sesame seeds are a healthy food that can help to improve your diet and help to lose weight. They are easy to add to your meals, and are a great source of nutrition. So why not give sesame seeds a try as a weight loss strategy? They may help you to lose weight and keep it off for years to come. How much sesame seeds should you eat daily? Eat from 1/2 to 1 tablespoon, or as per your taste, roasted sesame seeds in a day. How to use sesame seeds for weight loss. Sesame seeds are very versatile, and can be used in various ways to lose weight. You can scatter them on any dish, like salads or sandwiches, as per your taste. It not only helps you lose weight, but also gets you relief from constipation. You can also add them to sweets to give them a crunchy, tasty twist. Sesame seeds can also be coupled with other seeds like chia, poppy seeds, and eaten as a snack. Now, how to make a sesame seeds drink that burns everything you eat. All you need: 500 megaliters water, 5 to 6 tablespoons sesame seeds. Blend well in the blender. Drink 1 cup in the morning on an empty stomach. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because there will be more meaningful and valuable tips coming after this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the video's comment section. And thank you very much for watching.